like it's falling off. You got to keep winding. Because that's how you get it in. So as soon as you feel it on like that, you've got to keep going.